This how you rock out the boat, man, around.
Yeah, man, my quadra.
Oh, baby.
All the way up. Yeah. Hey, people.
If you're coming on me home, I bad boy on my want and on me dream. If it take me on a higher level, if you want to make me scream, I bad boy yes, my want and on the sheets. If it take me on.
Hey guys, it's your girl Santana B and welcome back to my channel, period, boo. Guys, today's vlog is river rafting right this in Montego Bay. Yeah, with my girl Mystical, an American lady that I met out here. Day one, we started to spend some time together, and then day two, we went river rafting and much more. So please like, subscribe, and share this vlog because y'all in for a treat. See you.
I'm here with my girl, Mystical. We are in Pier 1, Montego Bay, right there.
Turning it up, baby. All the way up.
Yeah. Hey, people.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Santana B. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm supposed to be going river. There's a lot of noise because we got new guests. But I'm supposed to be going river today with my stepfather. However guys, he's taking really long to get to me, so it might be a beach day instead of a river day. But anyway, please like, subscribe and share. Oh, I got my nails done. Right there, you know, so my nails always have to be on fleek. But yeah guys, like, subscribe and share, and hopefully it is a river vlog. So let's see what I want. Enjoy the vlog.
The features all white, coming snorted. Green Lamborghini, your tortoise. No human being, I'm immortal.
Wrap my weave up, I'm the trap Selena. Tell me my gasolina.
Put that in the sports. In the sport. Pull up.
On that you bitches catching a fade. Shout out my nigga Lil Uzi. All of your friends will be dead. You could get hit with that Uzi. I call him Rick.
Alright guys, I just arrived to one river and they do river rafting and whatnot, so yeah. So here guys, we did go to the river, but I'm not going in the water guys, and the reason why is because I've gone river rafting before and I can't be bothered to go again, but I'm going to film as much for you and I'm going to chill at the bar. Later.
No. No, I'm not gonna. Alright, y'all ready? Y'all ready?
rafting. I changed my mind. My friend's over there, so yeah. Let me get a little limestone massage. Jamaican vibes, obviously. Come on. So yeah.
She's supposed to give you 3,000 plus. I took the next one. Bigs go gear for that one. What are what Bigs? What are what your stepdad tell me?
So what did he say? Because
Your stepdad.
Miss,
Hey, say hi.
Misty.
Oh, Mystic Mountain. That's her name.
Mystical, but me call him. Anyways, right this way, guys. I'm on the river rafting.
Yes, indeed, it's sweetie.
Yes, me and my girl
Enjoying the-
Mystical. We there in
enjoying the
Jamaica having fun.
Paradise
We got our nails
Island.
done. Did you get your nails done?
Yes.
Yes. Right this way.
Oh,
Alright.
the man, no,
So
reverse raft.
yes, guys, so we on the river rafting. And last time I did river rafting was 2021, guys. So yeah,
Please.
see you later anyway.
Okay.
So what? So babes, I've done rafting in 2021. That-
Me last November.
not this one, no.
Me was here for my birthday in
Six-
November.
Hey, yeah, girl. Yeah, Bree. Yes, guys, we here going down the river. We're about to have a limestone massage. Me and my girl get these legs nice and massage. Try and heal my bites, man. The fuck. But yes.
Get baby smooth.
Yeah, we turn up having a little drink, guys. I would put my friend in camera, but she's not a camera person. So, and you know, I always ask people their permission before I put them in a vlog. So if you see her, she'll be blurred out. All right. Yeah.
You guys may got to get used to it. You know,
Yeah, let her get used to it. You're
Me,
gonna be
American
seeing this with her face
reputation,
blurred,
but
guys. You
you
know I'm
must
gonna
see her
edit
again.
it. But yeah, she's a great girl. Big up my girl,
Me
Mystical
love
from
she
Atlanta.
and me thank God for
Right,
bringing me
that's
such a good person to share my life with.
Yes,
Me
baby
so
girl.
thankful. Thank you, John.
Oh yeah, always. Yeah, that is it, mum.
I'm a bit tugga.
We want a picture on the we want a picture online.
Hey, that phone is full of hungry, fuck.
They said he likes my phone, and I know it's nice, it's pretty to get me, guys. Yeah, like your brother. Yeah.
seem that you're on vacation. Ready?
Yeah, no, I'll be recording y'all.
Come on. Hey.
Yeah, up in my bed.
The teacher. Why
When school starts, you bump it up early.
Free kick out, me say. Why Yeah, Mysti, tell them what you're getting done, babe. Limestone massage, right? The sun. Look on a nice peaches. What Skin clean, you see it? Yeah, good. Right, the sun. Yeah.
Almost orgasmic.
Let's go, Mysti. We in Jamaica. We in paradise. Let's go. What
When you are cocking up when you're coming on the wrong vision.
Right, that's so, yeah.
Yeah, man. It's that life, man.
I get a life, honey, thank you,
It's that life, man. It's that life, man.
Fortune, yeah. Baby, so whatever now. The ball is up. You're so professional. Come I'm ready, you want it back. You owe me a vision. No matter. Me take away your virginity. 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 So sing for me.
This how you rock out the boat, man, around. Yeah.
Yeah, man, my quadra. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go, Mysti. Yes, Mysti. Position I. Bomba, bomba. Watch body. Yeah, good body, girl. Yeah, why? Oh, it's my turn.
Your turn, Bobby. Your turn for your massage. Them got me.
Yo. Yes.
Pretty rich. Yeah, man.
Whoa, yeah.
this,
Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me when we come, pick it.
Wake me up. It coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. Wake me up. Bomba. Guys, that's my song right there. Yeah.
You hurt me. On this I feel up if you deserve me. Pull up and hurt me. Push the start. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, pushing now. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation.
There you go, 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 yeah man,
Push the start.
Yeah. I'm so drunk. And that's why. From your comment, me, yeah. Guys, I'm here. We just had our limestone massage. I'm just chilling with my feet in the water. Ooh, we're parking up, but yeah, they
I know you're probably on the road right now, busy. So I just want to say thank you for all that you've done for me, for real. Just give me a call.
I love Soji.
You say you want fuck, shut up your mouth and hush up your blood clot. Hush up. Get fuck.
Whoa, tell them. Betty mark up. Make it. Whoa. Yo, I'm funny. Turn around for your back shot. Hey, 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 hey. Boy, so yeah. Tashiba, the woman who made me do your dad.
You gonna start up that. Find and take a taxi to my yard and make sure you wear one shot up that.
You call and you warning. Say your body want a Prince Charming. And you're dead in the bed from 12 o'clock and him no give you no look for money. Mama yard, you want.
You better go breathe. When him find out say you're gonna leave. But the farmer you know how to plant up the seed is a man like.
Alright guys, we're on our way home. I'm drunk as Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video guys. I love you. Yeah.
Mystical, I'm motherfucking.
Ganja today, huh? And nobody really smoked too much weed today, huh?
No, bitch, I'm high.
You see? See?
Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka 28 Carvin. We could've been now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Super green.
But yeah, please like, subscribe, and share this vlog.
No, not right now. I can't be on the phone right now.
I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. I ain't too proud to beg, so